Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss an interesting part which is in 3/4 rhythm. 3/4 rhythm I already mentioned in my earlier videos. So one major problem I have observed during teaching with my student, so it is they are getting struggle with ma pa in flute, that is ma, shuddhama and pa, the transition between that. Many of my students get difficulties to play. So ma is this one, just let you know, this is ma, half matras, ga, ma and then pa. So I have seen a lot of students get difficult and not able to play properly. Ma, pa. So Shuddhama. So when they are closing all the fingers, they are getting difficulties. So it's not closed properly. Sometimes sounds is not proper, improper. Like they used to give more blow to play, but these can be solved. So how we are discussing over this video. I will play in metronome. I will show one practice in this metronome. If you do this practice regularly, your this problem will get resolved. Okay, the metronome. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3/4 rhythm. I'm sharing one notation with you guys. If you have seen, I have mentioned over here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So how I am playing? Take a look. Ga 1 2 ma 1 2 pa 1 2 1 2 3. Ga 1 2 ma 1 2 pa 1 2 1 2 3. Now 1 2 3. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Ga, each beat, each note I am playing. Ga ma pa pa ma ga, ga ma pa pa ma ga, na da 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 da. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Ga ma pa pa ma ga, ga ma. Sing it lot of time, then you will have the habit, or your rhythm will sit in your mind properly. Now in one beat I am playing two notes. Ga ma ga ma ga ma ma pa ma pa ma pa. See, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So I am playing two notes in one beat. Ga ma ga ma ga ma ma pa ma pa ma pa. When you are confident in, then ga ma ma pa. You can do like this. 2 3. Ga ma ma pa ma pa ma pa ga ma, and again ga ma ma pa ma pa ma pa ma pa ga ma ma pa ma pa ma pa ga ma ma pa ma pa ma pa. I have improvised the second line where is so ga ma ma pa ma pa ma pa ma pa, then ga ma ma pa ga ma. Now I'm coming to the last one. So like that way you can change the notation like gamma gamma mappa 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 gamma or gamma gamma mappa gamma gamma mappa. So clubbing with these notes, you will the mappa and gamma will cure, will be perfect. Hope you like this. If you are facing any trouble in this exercise or this problem of mappa, you comment in this video and let me know what the trouble you are getting and what is the problem. I will definitely give you a solution in another making another video. Okay, hope you are doing well. Chalo, bye bye, see you in the next video.